Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Ken with God Body Trading, and today what we're going to discuss is Tesla earning report and how did I make $1,600 today by trading options or whatever, right? So the first thing I want you to do before we dive deep into Tesla and its earnings report and why did they go down today? Why did they drop 8.7%? I want you to hit that like button and subscribe button so you can be always updated to the latest news and you can learn how to learn the strategy on how we're gonna make money and how we can help build up your portfolio. All right, so let's dive in right now. We're gonna talk about Tesla earnings report. Tesla had an earnings report today after market, and guys, look, it sucked. There's no better way to explain it besides it sucked, man. Last year they made $2.7 billion. This year they made $1.48 billion, right? So they took a loss. Tesla, because of the earnings report, Tesla took an 8.7% loss today, right? It's down 8.7% in the post market, right? And the post market is after the market is closed. All right, so a lot of people may have lost a lot of money or whatever, right? Because it's a lot of people backing Elon Musk or that, but they taking a loss right now if you had in call options or you bought in trying to catch in on the hype with the whole Elon Musk and the whole social media thing with him supporting Trump and things like that or whatnot, right? Why did Tesla drop down 8.7%? One is because they start selling their cars for less, so that means that they making less money. Also, what he decided to do, he decided to put his money towards other projects, robo taxis. They got robo taxis and robots. Tesla's also working on robots. So he got his money spread out, so they're not bringing that much money in as an automaking company because he's spending his money elsewhere. Another reason why it went down is because they delayed the robo taxi showcase. So that is delayed as well, which made a lot of investors feel as though like, come on, man. That's what they feel. They like, come on, man. Like, it was already a slow up on the Tesla Cybertruck. It was already a slow up. It's a slow up on these robo taxis. It's a slow up on these robots that you claim that you making, man. People are getting frustrated, right? You know what I'm saying? But that does not mean that Tesla is out the game just because it went down today, right? Because you still have people saying that this is an opportunity to buy in low, right? And ride it all the way back up. So don't ever get that confused and say, man, they down and out. This is because they had a bad day, right? They trying to prepare themselves to project themselves higher in the future. Also, Tesla deal with a lot of AI stuff too, whatever, right? With the robo taxis, I want you guys to imagine you getting an Uber and there's no driver. Can you imagine if Uber didn't have to pay drivers? Imagine how much money it would cost for a ride or whatnot, right? Tesla trying to tap into an industry to where like we can have taxis or get to places cheaper using their cars. Almost as though like a taxi service, right? With no driver. So that's what he doing or whatnot, right? And if you guys believe that may be profitable, maybe it is the right time to buy in. Maybe it is. I'll let you guys decide. I want you guys to leave a comment right now. Do y'all feel as though like this may be the right time to buy, right? So that's what's going on with Tesla. I want you guys to look at the technical analysis, and then we're gonna get into how I made $1,600 out trading options today. No, we're gonna get in the move first. All right, so we on Tesla, right? I want you guys to see this. So we get into the technicals. Tesla is down in the post market. This is that 8.7% that I was speaking about right here, right? I'll look at the 4-hour chart because to kind of get like a little insight of how the week is going, right? And how can I set myself up for calls or put options and this, that, and the third, whatever, right? What I am seeing right here that I noticed that give me a signal for a put option is this 1348 cross right here, right? You see the green is starting to cross this yellow or whatnot right here, right? I want you guys to pay close attention to that, right? Because for me, that's a signal that, hey, it may continue to go down, right? But in order for me to have like real, just real, just feel good about it, right? I would have to see it tomorrow drop below. Let me see. I needed to drop below this 225. I need to drop below 225 before I just say, hey, look, I'm gonna put in puts and we're gonna ride this thing on down with a stop loss, right? If I don't tell you guys nothing, right? What I want you option traders to know is you have to practice risk management, right? If I'm gonna get in the put, I'm always thinking about an exit strategy. So I'm putting into me a stop loss, right? So therefore, I know that I have an exit strategy that I'm getting up out this thing, right? All right, now if I'm gonna put in a call option, I don't want you guys to see this, right? The technical. You see how these two lines almost touch, so it let me know that it's support, right? Now the thing that I'm concerned about on the put option is, as you can see down here, the RSI is saying that it's oversold. So you still have retail investors, which is your everyday investors like you and me, that may feel as though like, hey, this is my time to buy, right? I'm gonna buy while it's on sale because I really feel as though that the robo taxi is gonna drive Tesla up. I really feel like these robots is gonna drive Tesla up. This AI technology that he working on for these vehicles, I seen it going all the way up. Also, he's also working on affordable cars. I feel as though like Tesla may rise all the way up. So this is people's signal right here, right? To go and buy in as well. So don't be fooled just because we got the 1348 cross. Pay attention to the RSI as well, right? As another indicator. You already seen that it's oversold. So people may come in tomorrow and buy in, but we don't know. We have to watch the pre-market tomorrow. But I want you guys to really pay attention to the technical analysis, and so you can be well informed on what's going on, or whatever right now, right? And I want you guys to comment. Do y'all believe in Tesla wholeheartedly? Do y'all feel as though like, hey, this is time to buy in or whatever? I'm finna start loading up, or do y'all feel as though like, hey man, look, it's starting to go down. Elon Musk is he got too much stuff going on. I want you guys to comment that for me below. Well, now, right now we finna get on to how I made $1,600 today trading options. Into this. All right, so let me show y'all. Look, let me see. You guys to see this thing move out the way. Today is July 23rd at 10:25. As y'all can see, I made $1,600 off the SPY, right? On a call option off the SPY. I gave a signal out today to everybody that was in my Discord. I said, hey, gotta go above 556 for me to buy in everyone on calls with a tight stop loss. You see what I'm saying? Now, the reason why I say you had to put on a tight stop loss is because right here, I'm seeing that when I want to buy in the SPY, I seen that the RSI told me that, hey man, this thing is oversold. It's oversold, right? So when it's oversold in the RSI, it gives me an indicator that, hey, people gonna start selling. People gonna start selling, right? Because it gotta balance itself back out, right? Don't nothing just continue to go up forever, right? So I'm looking at it saying oversold, so I knew I need to have on a tight stop loss. My stop loss kicked me out As you can see, my stop loss kicked me out. I made $1,600. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade options, you ever heard of options? I teach you from beginning to where you don't know nothing to where it's finished, right? And also in the class, we have quizzes. I want you guys to pay attention. We have quizzes as well, right? We start you off as beginners, and we have quizzes. If you guys want to learn how to trade options or whatnot, the link shall be in the Discord. I hope you guys find this video informational, and I hope this helped you build your portfolio. So I want to say again, see you next time. May God bless you and happy trading.